Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Corey back again with another video, and in this one guys we're going to be bending some 15mm copper pipe. This copper pipe is going to be providing a cold water and a hot water feed for a shower unit that we're going to be putting in. So what I've done, I've taken out the old copper pipe that was in place, which was soldered on, all of the bends on there. Yeah, but what I want to do today is I want to put in my own 90-degree bends on this length of copper pipe here, using the exact same measurements as what we've got here. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do that now.